Let's begin our series of environment and ecology. There are a few environment related aspects and terms which need to be kept in our mind. So the first one is RED plus, which is reducing emission from deforestation and forest degradation. So this was an effort by the parties to United Nations Framework Convention for Climate Change, UNFCCC, and it is different from RED because in RED the focus was only reducing emissions, but in RED plus the focus shifted to forest management, forest conservation, and enhancing the potential of forest as a carbon dioxide sink or greenhouse gas sink. So in RED plus, the more focus was shifted from being more proactive in reducing emissions. Now come to IPCC. IPCC stands for Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, that was established in 1988, and the effort was by World Meteorological Organization and United Nations Environmental Program. It was to evaluate the risk to the climate change by the activities of human beings. IPCC, Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, 1988, by WMO and United Nations Environmental Program. Now come to CDM. CDM stands for Clean Development Mechanism. CDM stands for Clean Development Mechanism. CDM, Clean Development Mechanism. Clean Development Mechanism, it is one of the provision of Kyoto Protocol that is mentioned in Article 12 of Kyoto Protocol, and it is basically related to the efforts by the developed countries or industrialized countries for establishing projects in the developing countries, which is for reducing emissions. That projects in developing countries will reduce emissions of carbon dioxide. And one more term related to this was certified CER, certified emission reduction. Certified emission reduction. Now the fourth one is carbon trading. Carbon trading is basically a permit to emit carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases calculated in terms of carbon dioxide equivalent. So what is carbon trading? It is basically the permits to emit carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases calculated in terms of carbon dioxide equivalent. Okay.